What's my favorite trade ever in the stock market? So right here, right, this is a double top. Can you see it? A double top pullback.
Even if you look in pre-market, there's more tops right there at 129.80.
Yep. So here's what I'd be looking at. Right here, so this is a cup, and we're looking for the handle, right? So it's forming the handle. Cup, pullback handle, right? Double top. You know that's my favorite setup. Puts on a double top all day long. I train it all freaking day long. So what you're looking for, if this does bounce off the 200 right here, it will come back up for a retest. If it then breaks through and gets beyond 130, I'd be back into it for longs. You see it?
Thanks, Coach.
Yep, but I would not touch it until then, at least to the long side, right? Now, if you guys are master scalpers, you can look at a bounce off the 200 and or VWAP, but you better have a real tight stop because this is a textbook double top pullback. This is what's my favorite trade ever in the stock market.
Double tops.
Yes.
Double top and double bottom.
That's right. Can you guys see the cup and handle right there? And look at the flush. This is why I train you, right? Look at on a double top. Favorite trade in the game, puts on a double top. Look at the payout. Woo!
I just took the double top on Apple for the ride down.
Oh my gosh. It's my favorite trade. There is no other trade. I don't care if it's double bottom, triple bottom. I don't care what it is. A double top setup is my absolute favorite trade ever.
Glorious.
It's freaking phenomenal.
And it happens so quick. I mean, just money, bam.
It does. And the thing that scares people out is because you get in here, right? And even if it comes up a little bit, this is where people start to panic and go, oh, that must not be right. So what you got to do is you got to give this some room, right? You're going to have to take an L if you get in just a little bit early waiting for a pullback. Why? Because we get in early before the actual top, right? So if the top is 129.76, guess what? I'm getting in at 129.61. Well, if I got in around 129.61 and it ran up to 130, this is where people go, oh no, I was in wrong. And then, right? You got to give this range. It's got to work. It's got to work.
Wow. Why would you prefer to get in it early? Wouldn't it be better just to try and get it a little bit closer?
Nope, never. Because intelligent traders like ourselves, we already know where it's trying to get to before a pullback, right? That means if we wanted to get into this quick move, you better be in before everybody else, because what is usually going to happen is, how many times have you guys waited for it to get to that damn exact penny and the train left without you and you're sitting there going, wow, I really wish I would have gotten that.
Gotcha.
So we get in, right? 10 cents early, or, obviously depending on the amount of the stock, right? Every stock is different on how much you get in early. Ford, you get in a penny early. SPY, you get in 30 cents early, right? They all have a range, and you got to know it by doing it. Otherwise, you're not a master scalper. You ain't doing shit. Anyways, let me mute these mics. Right? So we always get in just before it, everybody in this room, right?